Here at Vidzeme University of Applied Sciences, we offer master degree programs in English. At the Faculty of Society and Science, we offer business environment administration, strategic communication and governance, and media information and literacy. At the Faculty of Engineering, we offer cybersecurity engineering and virtual reality and smart technologies. We offer international study module for exchange students from our partner universities within different programs and projects like Erasmus+, Nord+, and also on cooperation agreements. For more information, you can check our website and you can find also my contact details there, or you can follow us on our social networks like Facebook, LinkedIn, and you can also find some videos on our YouTube channel.